Are you still struggling on how to make that perfect moi moi, aka bean pudding? Then this video is just for you. Welcome to Inspired by J.I, where I share curated food content. To my returning viewers, thank you, and to my new viewers, you're welcome. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to make that perfect moi moi with your washed beans, your shumbo, and your bell pepper. I usually whisk my moi moi and add oil. You need to add oil. I'm using this deboned mackerel fish. Yes, mackerel fish is a very important ingredient in making moi moi. So I'm just gonna mix my spice with hot water. I had ginger, garlic, seasoning cubes, salt, and all spices. And there's something unique I'm using here: coconut milk. This coconut milk made it so I can't even explain it. It was so yummy. Everyone was asking me, what did you add to your moi moi? Well, that is the secret. So you just have to mix everything together. You don't want your moi moi too thick because it needs to have this perfect consistency, because of course it will get hard when you cook it. So I'm gonna be using my ramekins. You can use, some people use nylon, some people use moi moi packaging, some people use moi moi leaf. Whatever you decide to use, it's perfectly fine. I'm gonna be adding some veggies. Yes, veggies is very good. I love veggies in everything I eat. I'm using frozen veggies, by the way. You could use your fresh veggies. And I have my eggs here. I'm just gonna add it, and of course I'm gonna add my shrimp. Remember, I said this is a very special and unique and sumptuous moi moi. So yeah, my moi moi is ready to go to the pot, and I'm just gonna add some hot water and place my ramekins in my saucepan or your pot. Whatever you're using is perfectly fine. Another thing I did was to cover this with foil. Why I did this, I don't want the steam from the boiling pot to pour back into the moi moi, because I didn't cover mine. You can cover yours if you want to, but personally I chose not to cover mine. So yeah, this is my moi moi, guys. Just look at this. Can you feel the softness? Can you feel oh god, this was so tasty. Trust me, I ate two of these ramekins while doing this video. I couldn't even help myself. This was the second one I was eating, by the way. It was so nice. I actually I actually loved it, and my family loved it. So this is how I make my moi moi. Very easy and straight to the point. If you like this video and you watched to this extent, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share too. Thank you. So tell me, what do you usually eat your moi moi with? Do you eat with gari? Do you eat with pap, or do you eat it plain? Well, as for me, I eat my plain. Thank you for watching. See you later.